Hey guys, how about a quick look at some first impressions at this item that refers to itself as water box. This is a water carbonator. We're gonna pop this out the box and see what we have here. Instructions right off the top. Looks like it's packed really nicely. Like a dual styrofoam padding. You can just pull it right out. Careful with that. There's a little weight to it. There's our CO2 tank. Make the carbonation. Set that someplace safe. Don't want to lose that. Not a whole lot of room there, but we're making it happen. There is the unit itself. Pretty good size. More tall than anything. Not going to take up a lot of counter space, height-wise, but you could squeeze this in anywhere. Tall and slim. Let's get this plastic off, get a better look. Yeah, so there's our bottle. Let's look around. Get a tour of this thing. That's where the CO2 tank is gonna get plugged into. You have a little control panel here, different dials and things like that. It's like it's real simple to use, really easy to set up. It's all instructions. Just open up a random page. It's like it's easy to follow, step-by-step diagrams. You really can't make it any easier than that. So we're gonna get some water in this, get some CO2 in this, and see what this can do. Thanks for checking it out, guys.
This is very cool. So you don't even have to plug this in. It is rechargeable, very lightweight, easy to use. You do not have to plug this in at all. Push the top here and it will start making your soda. Super cool. So you just refill this. This is your minimum liquid line and this is your maximum liquid line. And all in here is what shows like when you're done, basically. Super cool soda machine. Definitely a money saver. And you know what you're drinking. You can make water into soda. Flavor it with whatever you want.